everyone, do you remember this blooming flower I made before? Look at the fabric I used to make the blooming flower. It's very thin, so the color look a little bit pink. But on this tutorial, I will try to use another thicker organza to make the blooming flower and check the difference. Okay, now I use this fabric to make the flowers. Compare with this fabric I used to make. This fabric is thin and this fabric will be thick. So let's use this fabric to make the flower and check if there are any difference. Okay, first of all, we need to cut out the petal. Since I already took a tutorial to show you how to make this blooming flower in every detail. So on this tutorial, I will fast skip the repeat procedure. Look, we cut the petals in 3 sides. And then make the fabric wrinkle on file. Look, using the thicker fabric will be much more better because it's not easy to burn a hole. Look, this thin fabric will be much more easy to be burn a hole on it. So, on this opinion, recommend to use this thicker organza. Okay then, let's stick 3 iron wire on the petal. I would like to use hot group, but you can use the group. Okay, take 3 size petal as a set and I will stick them together. Then bend the iron wire to make the shape. Okay, look at the petal. This petal made with thicker fabric. Compare with this petal. Thin and thick. Let's check the difference. And I found another difference. This one a little bit pearl-like and this one matte. Totally, I make 6 sets of the petal. Now let's install the petal. Okay, take our blooming machine with the center because I already showed you the step-by-step tutorial about how to make the center. So I don't repeat on this video. If you are interested about how to make this, you can check my old tutorial. Very simple, adjust the iron wire and insert on the machine. Bend the iron wire. Actually, apply some hot glue on it will be much more better. Okay, 1 petal completed. After install all the petal, we need to bend the petal to make the flower shape. Okay, look, this is the effect after I install the flower on the stem. The detail about how to make the stem, you can check my old tutorial. On this tutorial, we just want to check the difference with different fabric. Look, this is the effect I make with thicker organza. And look at this flower I make with thinner organza. Can you see the difference? Look. Let's check it. Could you tell me which flower you like? On my opinion, this one looks much more fairy and this one looks elegant. So I recommend to use this thicker organza after consider effect and not easy to be burned on the file. Okay, now let's check the blooming effect.